Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on ways to earn money. There are many ways to earn money. Some of the more common ways are as follows. Firstly, we have a salary. People on a salary earn a fixed amount of money each year. They are usually paid each fortnight. They are not paid for overtime work. A good example of people on salaries are teachers. Here's an example. A teacher is on a salary of $78,000. How much is the teacher paid each fortnight? So there are 26 fortnights in each year, so $78,000 divided by 26 gives you $3,000 per fortnight. Wages. Wages are normally paid each week, and the amount of normal weekly hours are fixed. The worker earns extra money for any overtime, and this is paid at an increased rate. For example, an employee works 4 hours of overtime during a particular week. If the normal hourly wage is $28 and the worker is paid at time and a half for overtime, how much does the worker earn for the overtime work? So we have $28 an hour for 4 hours times 1.5 because it's time and a half. That means 1.5 times the 4. So when you multiply those together, we get $168. So that's the money that's earned for the overtime work. Commission. Commission is a bonus over and above the normal salary or wage paid to a worker. It is usually a percentage of the value of goods sold. For example, a salesman receives 20% commission on all his sales each month. If he sold $16,000 worth of goods for the month, what is his commission? Well, he gets paid 20% of what he sold, so 20% of $16,000, which is 20 over 100 times 16,000 over 1. You can do that anyway by cancelling, calculator, whatever way you want, and that gives you $3,200. Casual. This is not full-time work, but a certain number of reduced hours each week. For example, how much does a casual earn for 6 hours at $27 per hour? So if the casual works for 6 hours in a particular week, and the wage is $27 per hour, it's 27 times 6, which is $162. Piecework. Here the worker is paid for each unit produced or for a particular action. For example, a leather worker is paid $85 for every 10 belts made. What is he paid for making 30 belts? So $85 for every 10 belts. He made 30, so we divide that by 10. So that gives us 3. So it's actually 3 times 85 because he made 3 lots of 10. For each lot of 10, he gets $85. He made 3 lots of 10, so he's paid $255. So this video has introduced us to a number of different ways of earning money, and we've seen some basic examples on how that actually works.